Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I will be doing a get ready with me with you guys. So later on in the video, it's going to be a voiceover, and right now the introduction. This is future Nadia right here because I didn't have time to film the introduction and the ending. I was really running late because that day I was meeting with my best friend and we were just gonna have our traditional Christmas dinner. So I didn't have time and I had to leave the house, I had to pick her up, and then downtown Toronto, traffic was horrendous. And if you guys live in Toronto, you guys know what I'm talking about. So again, this is future Nadia right here. So anyways, like I said, this is going to be a get ready with me video. But before we get started, this video is sponsored by Stylevana. So in case you guys don't know, Stylevana is your one-stop shop for your Asian beauty needs. So they have hair, skincare, makeup. They carry a lot of K-beauty items. They do have other types as well, like Japanese, Taiwanese, and their prices are pretty darn affordable. So here in Toronto, there are Asian stores that do carry like K-beauty, J-beauty brands and so forth, right? But if you are specifically looking for something, you may have to go to like each store, try to search for it, or whatever the case may be, right? Stylevana is your one-stop shop for all your Asian beauty needs. And again, the prices are pretty darn affordable. So I do have a discount code for you guys, and I'll display right here and down in the description box below. But for a limited time, this discount is going to be 20% off. So it ends on December 19th. So if you guys ever need to restock your skincare, your hair, your makeup, whatever it is that you guys need, definitely jump on it because time is very limited. Again, it ends on December 19th for 20% off the whole website. And the prices are really affordable as it is, so an extra 20% off, why not? So again, you can restock all your skincare needs, your toners, your serums, your makeup, anything that you need. Hurry on to Stylevana because the discount will end on the 19th Monday. And again, if you guys are interested in any of the products I use in the video, everything will be listed down in the description box below along with the discount code. So again, thank you for Stylevana for sponsoring today's video. So now we can finally get started with the video, but before we actually get started with that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you love Stylevana, or if you kind of like these get ready with me type of videos, voiceovers, or whatever the case may be. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle right there. And let's get started with the video. So I already did my skincare off camera, but I'm going to tell you guys what I did. So I went in with the Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This is a mild cleanser which works to help reduce the look of large pores and helps control oil production without stripping it. Next, I incorporate these products into my skincare routine. These are the Yuja Niacin products. These are travel size, and these products help to brighten, hydrate, and have a wrinkle-free finish. It feels lightweight, and you guys can definitely see the consistency is not too thick, but not too thin either. So in the kit, you do get the toner, the serum, the moisturizer, and a sleep mask as well. I used everything but the sleep mask because I'm going out, of course. Of course, I'm going to do some eyeshadow today, and I'm going with the a.black Glam Multi-Change Multi-Palette. This palette is in number 9, Butterscotch. And as you can see with the swatch, it is quite pigmented, but not too pigmented. Just enough where we can build up the color. So I first went into the brown shade and just went along the crease and blending it out accordingly. This is going to be my transition shade. So we're going to add a bit of color and going in with this pinky brown shade and going along the crease as well. And I'm using a tapered fluffy brush. And I'm going in circular motions, going back and forth, concentrating that on the outer corner of my eye and bringing that a little bit in towards the inner part of my eye. So I'm going to deepen this up a little bit more, going into that chocolate brown shade. I'm concentrating this along the outer V of my eye. Using the brush that they provided, I am just applying the color there. So now I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and blend out that chocolate brown shade. And of course, I have to add some sparkle to my eye. So taking a flat shader brush, I'm going into this pinky marbly shade right here and applying this to the center and the most inner part of my eye. Time for me to do my eyeliner off camera. So I did my eyeliner and put some mascara on my top lashes, but now I'm going to put some on my bottom ones. So I'm going in with the Heimrich Smudge Stop Mascara. This mascara is smudge proof, clump free, and lengthens and also gives that voluminous, glamorous look. Time for complexion products. So now I'm going in with the Moonshot Performance Cushion Light Fixing. This cushion foundation is so lightweight and the coverage is amazing. Like, look at this coverage right here. It also has an SPF of 43 PA++. As you guys saw, my skin looks so much better and so much smoother. Lastly, it's time for lips, and I'm going in with the Amuse Dew Tint in shade 11. This is Boksunga. I'm pretty sure I'm probably butchering that name, but that is the shade. This lip tint is 35% water infused and is a dewy, long-lasting finish. And that is it for today's today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, this is future Nadia right here. I clearly don't have the makeup on. Thank you again for Stylevana for sending me these products. And again, if you guys are interested in anything that I used in this video, or if you guys just need to restock on all your Asian beauty needs, head on over to Stylevana and use this discount for 20% off the whole website. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!